AI is no longer the future, it's the present. And whether you're a student, job seeker, working professional, or business owner, one thing is clear: your career will depend on artificial intelligence. That's why in this video, I've handpicked the top 30 free AI courses for 2026, courses that can upgrade your skills, strengthen your resume, and help you stay relevant in a world where every industry is being transformed by AI. To make it super easy for you, I've divided all the courses into 6 clear categories. Beginner-friendly AI and AI literacy courses. Math and Programming Foundations for AI. Core Machine Learning courses. Deep Learning and Neural Networks. Generative AI and Large Language Models. And Applied AI courses across business, data, cloud, and more. So if you want to start your AI journey or take your career to the next level without spending any money, this video is going to be incredibly helpful for you. Watch till the end and get access 40 plus free courses on skiller.com. Let's begin with the first category. First course is Elements of AI, University of Helsinki and Minilearn. A very popular, truly beginner-friendly course with no complicated maths or programming. It explains what AI is, what it can and cannot do, and how it affects work and society. Good if you want a clear, conceptual starting point. Next is AI for Everyone, DeepLearning.ai, on Coursera. A non-technical course by Andrew Ng that focuses on AI concepts, use cases, and how AI fits into business and society. It helps you understand basic terminology, what AI can and cannot do, and how to think about AI strategy. You can enroll and learn for free. Next is AI for Everyone, Master the Basics, IBM, edX. An AI literacy course aimed at a wide audience, including non-technical professionals. It covers fundamental AI ideas, key terms, and common applications, and helps you understand how AI systems are built and used. You can audit the full course content for free on edX. Next is Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, AI, IBM, Coursera. A beginner-level introduction to AI that explains core concepts such as machine learning, neural networks, and common AI applications in business and daily life. It is designed for learners without a strong technical background. You can enroll and study for free, and decide later if you want a paid certificate. Next is Introduction to Generative AI, Google Skills/Cloud Skills Boost. A short micro-learning course, around 30 to 60 minutes, that explains what generative AI is, how it differs from traditional machine learning, and where it is used. It also introduces basic Google tools for building simple generative AI applications and offers a free digital badge. Let's move to next category: Math and Programming Foundations for AI. CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python, Harvard University. A fully university-level introduction to programming using Python. You learn variables, conditions, loops, functions, file handling, libraries, regular expressions, and basic data structures. The entire course, lectures, problem sets, notes, is free to access. Next is Python for Everybody, PY4E, Dr. Charles Severance. A very beginner-friendly Python course designed for people with no coding background. It covers installation, variables, loops, functions, strings, files, lists, dictionaries, regular expressions, simple databases, and web data. All videos, assignments, and book content are free on the PY4E site. Next is Statistics and Probability, Khan Academy. A complete, free library covering descriptive statistics, probability, random variables, sampling, confidence intervals, hypothesis testing, and more. You can use it to build the exact statistics base needed for machine learning and data science, at your own pace. Next is Mathematical Foundations for Machine Learning, NPTEL, IISc Bangalore. An Indian MOOC that focuses directly on the maths behind ML. It covers linear algebra, probability and statistics, and multivariable calculus with intuition and visualization. Course videos and materials are fully free. There is only a fee if you choose to sit for an optional proctored exam and certificate. Next is Mathematics for Machine Learning, Simplilearn Skill Up. A short, free course that gives you a compact overview of the key maths used in ML, linear algebra, calculus basics, probability, and statistics. Good if you want a structured refresher before taking heavier ML or deep learning courses. Let's move to next category: core machine learning courses. Machine Learning Crash Course, Google. A fast, practical introduction to machine learning with around 15 hours of content. You learn core ideas like loss, gradient descent, classification, model training, and evaluation through short videos, readings, and TensorFlow-based exercises. Next is Machine Learning Specialization, Andrew Ng, DeepLearning.ai on Coursera, audit-free. A beginner-friendly 3-course program that replaces the original Stanford ML course. It covers supervised learning, regression, classification, unsupervised learning, regularization, model evaluation, and basic deep learning. You can audit all videos and readings for free. Payment is only needed if you want graded assignments and a certificate. Next is Supervised Machine Learning, Regression and Classification, Andrew Ng, Coursera, audit-free. The first course in the machine learning specialization, ideal if you want to start with one ML course instead of the full path. It teaches you how to build and evaluate regression and classification models in Python, with a focus on practical intuition. You can study it free in audit mode. Next is Introduction to Machine Learning, MIT OpenCourseWare, 6.036. A full MIT course that introduces the theory and practice of machine learning from a modeling and prediction point of view. It covers concepts like overfitting, generalization, supervised learning methods, and an introduction to reinforcement learning. All lecture notes, assignments, and exams are freely available. Next is Free Machine Learning Course with Certificate, Simplilearn Skill Up. A compact course aimed at beginners and early intermediates. It walks you through core ML algorithms, regression, classification, clustering, basic Python implementations, and real-world use cases. The learning content is free and includes a free completion certificate. Let's move to next category: Deep Learning and Neural Networks courses. Deep Learning Specialization, DeepLearning.ai, Coursera, audit-free. A structured, multi-course program taught by Andrew Ng. It covers neural networks, deep learning best practices, CNNs for computer vision, sequence models for NLP, and practical tips for building and improving deep learning systems. You can watch all videos and read all materials in audit mode for free. The certificate is optional and paid. Next is Neural Networks and Deep Learning, DeepLearning.ai, Coursera, audit-free. This is the first course of the deep learning specialization and can be taken alone if you want a focused start. It teaches the basics of neural networks, forward and backward propagation, and how deep networks learn from data. All core content is free to access in audit mode. Next is Practical Deep Learning for Coders, Fast.ai. A very hands-on, project-driven deep learning course designed for people with some coding experience. You start from building real models for vision, NLP, and recommendation systems, and learn the theory as you go. The entire course, videos, notebooks, and book is fully free on the Fast.ai website. Next is MIT 6.S191, Introduction to Deep Learning, MIT OpenCourseWare. MIT's intensive introduction to deep learning with applications in computer vision, NLP, biology, and more. It includes lecture videos, slides, and TensorFlow labs. All materials are open and free, making it a strong academic-style introduction to modern deep learning. Next is Introduction to Reliable Deep Learning, Google Cloud Skills Boost. A short but advanced course focused on building deep learning models that are robust, reliable, and able to express uncertainty. It is especially useful if you already know basic deep learning and want to understand safety, robustness, and reliability aspects. You can take it for free and earn a Google Cloud Skill badge on completion. Let's move to next category: Generative AI and Large Language Models courses. Introduction to Generative AI, Google Cloud Skills Boost. A short, beginner-level course that explains what generative AI is, how it works at a high level, and how it differs from traditional machine learning. It uses simple examples and is ideal if you are hearing terms like LLMs and diffusion models for the first time. Next is Introduction to Large Language Models, Google Cloud Skills Boost. A microcourse that focuses specifically on LLMs. It explains how they are trained, where they are used, chatbots, coding assistants, content tools, and key concepts like tokens, prompts, and safety. You can complete it in under an hour and earn a free skill badge. Next is Introduction to Prompt Engineering, Google Cloud Skills Boost. This course teaches you how to talk to LLMs effectively. You learn basic and advanced prompting patterns, how to structure instructions, and how to get more reliable outputs from generative models. It includes short hands-on labs in a browser environment. Next is Generative AI for Everyone, deeplearning.ai, audit-free on Coursera. A non-technical course that explains how generative AI works, what it can do for businesses, and how products using LLMs and image models are built. You can watch all the videos and read all content for free in audit mode. The certificate is optional and paid. Let's move to final category: Applied AI by domain, business, data, cloud, and more. Transform your business with Microsoft AI, Microsoft Learn. A beginner-level learning path for business leaders and managers. It explains how AI can improve processes, customer experiences, and decision-making, and gives you a structured way to think about AI strategy, adoption, and responsible use in organizations. Next is AI Foundations for Everyone, IBM, Coursera, audit-free. A non-technical introduction that focuses on practical applications of AI across domains like customer service, finance, and operations. It helps you understand how to frame AI problems, work with data teams, and evaluate AI solutions from a business point of view. You can learn the full content for free in audit mode. Next is Artificial Intelligence on AWS Skill Builder Learning Plan. A curated set of free digital courses on AWS that shows you how to use cloud AI services for real use cases such as image analysis, text extraction, recommendations, and chatbots. Good for developers and architects who want to see how AI is applied in production on the cloud. Next is AI for business users, Microsoft Learn, AI for business leaders / AI Business School. A set of short, free learning paths designed for non-technical professionals. These modules cover AI concepts, use cases in functions like marketing, sales, and operations, and practical frameworks for planning AI projects and managing change. Next is Applied AI with IBM Training Hub, Overview plus Coursera Audit. IBM's Applied AI Pathway introduces you to building simple AI applications such as chatbots and virtual assistants using IBM tools. While the professional certificate is paid, you can audit individual courses for free to learn how AI is applied to real business problems and workflows.